How to use Amazon gift card or how to redeem Amazon gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem or use your Amazon gift card. Now the process itself is simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to head in your browser and you want to search in on your device on your browser Amazon gift card redeem. You can simply type in redeem Amazon gift card or Amazon gift card redeem and such, and you'll get the official link there saying redeem a gift card. You want to tap on that particular link. You can see it says redeem a gift card. To redeem a gift card, find the claim code, go to redeem a card and such. So you want to tap on this particular option that says redeem a gift card here. That's on different color here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it'll ask you to log into your account. So you want to log into your account real quick. So as you can see, I have entered in my password and it's asking me to sign in. So I'll just tap on continue here. And now you can see it has loaded up, and here now you can either scan your QR code behind your gift card or you can enter your claim code here and apply to your balance and you can use it. So this way you can redeem a Amazon gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.